54 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. This process will continue. 4 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 8, which is greater than 5, so 1 time. Write 1. 1 time 4 4, subtract 1. Bring down the next digit 14. 4 goes into 14 how many times? Okay, 4 times 16, which is greater, so 3 times. Right, 3 here. 3 times 4 12, subtract 2. So our answer is 13, remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 5 times 4 20. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. As your remainder is 0, we are done. So 13.5 is our quotient or answer.